Here it is, last day of the year. Here we all are. Everybody say hi. Hi. Can you say hi, Em? Nunu. Nunu. Last day of the year, Maxwell. Good job, Max. Good job, Em. Ow, Howard, get in the truck. All right, we're gonna wait. We're gonna see Mike and Charlie. Hey guys, hold up a sec, okay? Hey, you two, Bobsey twins. Hey, Emma. Little daredevils. Comes Mike and Charlie. Howard, hold up! Howard, I'm coming, hold on. I hear you. Wait a second. Here's Charlie. Wait 1 second, honey. All right. Okay. Thank you. Ow! Okay. Take him down. Yeah. Ow! Oh, Charlie. You alright, bud? Yeah. Alright.
Gotta keep those toes up, Charlie.
There you go.
Keep those toes up. Gonna represent one time.
It's like snowboarding and mashed potatoes. You got it? There you go. Oh. You got it, bud. Woohoo! Yeah. Howard. Howard. Emma Jane Fortin, on your right. Say hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom. Woo! Oh, it's like mashed potatoes. What's that, honey? Give you a push. Just keep going. Just keep going. Daddy's going to need a push after this. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Howard under the rope. Oh. Oh. Hey. Hey. Right. Oh, that's his bum. You got it? Put your skis perpendicular. There you go. 2 hands off the side of the mountain. Boom. Alright, I'm following you. Making the turns, making the turns. Oh. Oh. Now he's gonna fall on his bum like he's doing this. Alright, I'm all the way down to the left. All the way down to the left. Keep on trucking. Follow Tom and Lucy. And we gotta go right to the top, alright? Right up to the top. Yeah, Lulu. Lucy Ellen unleashed. Unleashed. Ow! Yay! What do you think? What do you think, Lou? You want to do it again? Good girl.